Hello, in this video I will show you how you can set up fingerprint on a Redmi 15C. So let's open the settings. From here go to fingerprint face data and screen log. Open fingerprint unlock and now you have to enter your screen lock password. Now you can add your fingerprint by touching this power button over here. So this is the fingerprint sensor and you have to touch it a couple of times just like that. Just tap on it gently couple of times. You can move your fingers sometimes and just wait to fill this fingerprint with blue. So now as you can see it's done, so click done and basically that's all. Let me unlock device by using fingerprint. So that's all basically. Thanks for watching and subscribe.